Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really exciting one. I just received free gifts from Google. Yes, you heard that right. Google sent me some amazing gifts for completing the Google Cloud Facilitator Program. I am recording this video on October 16th and I can't wait to show you what's inside the box. Let me tell you a bit about the program. The Google Cloud Facilitator Program is a global learning initiative by Google that helps students and professionals build cloud skills through hands-on labs, badges and courses. As part of the program, participants complete a set of Google Cloud Skill badges to demonstrate their understanding of cloud technologies like Compute Engine, Kubernetes, BigQuery and more. Depending on the number of badges and courses you complete, you become eligible to redeem free gifts from Google as a token of appreciation for your effort and learning journey. Now let's get to the most exciting part. Here is what I received from Google. A Google t-shirt, a notebook, a pen, a stylish bag, a mini desktop vacuum cleaner and a USB hub. Every gift feels like a little reminder of the hard work and dedication that went into completing the program. Beyond the gifts, this program has an incredible learning experience. It gave me a better understanding of Google Cloud technologies and helped me strengthen my journey in DevOps and cloud engineering. If you're planning to join this program, please stay consistent. That's all for today's unboxing. A big thank you to Google for this amazing gift and for creating such a wonderful learning opportunity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech related content. Until next time, keep learning, keep building and stay inspired.